guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making strawberry shortcake cupcakes. These are super fun and really easy. So what you'll need will be flour, buttermilk, canola oil or vegetable oil, granulated sugar, baking soda and baking powder, eggs, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first what we're going to do is we're going to combine our flour, baking soda, and baking powder in a bowl. Now just set that aside. Okay, in a large bowl, now we're going to beat together our eggs and sugar. So I'm going to use a hand mixer. So I'm going to go grab that really quick. Okay, so now our eggs and sugar are going to beat that together. Okay, now we're going to alternate adding our buttermilk and our flour mixture, starting and ending with flour. Okay, so the batter should be thin. So as you can see, it's like not too thin. It's not like crepe batter, which is like water, but it's still pretty thin, and it should be. So now I have to fill a cupcake pan with some cupcake liners. So I'm gonna go grab those really fast. Okay, so I got these. Now, time to put them on. So I just have some fun designs. Like these are like polka dot ones, kind of. And well, this one's just blue. And these are like some fun like stripes and designs. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna like take a quarter cup and just yeah, I'm just gonna take this quarter cup and see how much I can fill, like how high it fills up. So. These have to sit for about 5 minutes, and while they set, it just helps them so that they really like rise up in the oven. So you just want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and just have that preheating while you wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. The oven is all preheated, and now these don't really need to have to do that, but you still should. Okay, now we can put them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Again, as in I say in every single video that I bake, I always start with the lowest amount of time. So I'm going to start with 12. Okay, well, I will see you guys when they're all ready. Okay, so the cupcakes have about 2 minutes left, and in the meantime, we're going to make the cream cheese whipped buttercream. It is super good, and it tastes amazing with the cupcakes. Okay, sorry. First, I need to beat together sugar, granulated sugar. So you need You need vanilla extract, cream cheese at room temperature, granulated sugar, and heavy whipping cream. So first you're going to beat together your cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract. Take a small spoonful and taste, because like you always gotta. This is really good. Usually I don't like cream cheese buttercream, but this is good. Still stiff peaks, and that's like perfect. Let's test these. Perfect! Without some strawberries. Like. So we're just gonna take a cutting board and just cut these up to small, like pretty small, like just slices. So if you guys were wondering, these donuts right here, those I did not make. If you guys were wondering, my sister made them. So let's just try to get these out nicely, because they're like extremely moist, which is like amazing. So now we just want to let these cool completely, because they're super hot, and I have a fan there that I can turn on and it'll cool them super quick. So if you guys have that, I would recommend that. It does not dry them out. Well, I'll see you guys when they're all cool. I got it in. I got the piping tip in. It did take me a while. That's why I did not show it on camera, because it took like forever to do it. So, till the cupcake's cool. Sorry, I keep being like, okay, now we're gonna wait, and then I come back. So I tested this on one to make sure it would work. I mean, I thought it would work, and it did. So we're just going to fill these with some slices of strawberries. So we're gonna take like a really big piping tip. Like this is the 4B, but you can use any big one. Like the tip I'm using for this, you might not want to use it because you're already using it, is the 2A tip. I use it for a lot of things, but you just want to take the tip, go into the middle, and then just like go a little deep to like halfway out, and then it's all there. It's all done. So then, and it should come up with it. If it doesn't, then you can just like pull it out with like, I don't know, like, the cake is really good. Like, super good. So we're just gonna do this to the rest of them. just cut the tip off, and you just want to cut the smallest slices ever. And don't go all the way down. Just go just till it's almost